We're excited to introduce the newest member of the CertainTeed manufacturing family, CertainTeed Quakertown. This world-class facility is dedicated to the production and distribution of STONEfaçade architectural stone siding, delivering the beauty of natural stone in a simple-to-install panelized system. This facility began operation in June of 2021 and is located 50 miles north of Philadelphia in the community of Quakertown, Pennsylvania. Through its enhanced production and warehousing capacity, CertainTeed Quakertown will provide an increased and stable supply of STONEfaçade to the Mid-Atlantic, Midwest, and Northeastern regions of the United States. This expansion will allow more of our customers to get into the rapidly growing stone siding category, which sees 280 million square feet of product moved per year and is expected to climb. Specially engineered for installation by siding contractors, STONEfaçade is durable, beautiful, and fast, installing up to 6 times faster than traditional masonry. By adding STONEfaçade to their product offering, building professionals can offer more design options for customers while boosting profitability. Choosing to bring STONEfaçade to Quakertown is a great investment for both CertainTeed and the community. The plant provides a welcome boost to the local economy, creating new permanent jobs within the facility and increasing commerce in supporting sectors such as transportation and maintenance services. And by expanding to meet the increased demand for stone siding, we further reinforce our commitment to prompt service and efficient access for customers. We're excited to have Quakertown as part of the CertainTeed family and are proud to continue making impactful strides that restore confidence in and commitment to American manufacturing.